Hi, I'm Kristyn with Then Beyond. Today's yoga posture is Pavanamuktasana, wind removing pose. Wind removing is a simple posture, yet it has so many benefits. Wind removing helps make sure that your digestive and elimination systems are operating properly. It increases circulation and flexibility in the hip joints and can even help relieve lower back pain. Like all of our yoga postures, form is key in wind removing pose. Let's go take a closer look. Wind removing pose. Lift your right leg up, interlock your 10 fingers 2 inches below your knee. This is key. Rather than grabbing right on the kneecap, grab below the knee, allowing you to better pull the knee down into the body, receiving those compression benefits in the abdomen. As you pull your knee down, make sure to pull it right down towards the armpit shoulder, not keeping it in too far where the rib cage gets in the way of any hip opening and you only receive compression, or bringing it out too far where this turns into simply a hip opener without the benefits to the digestive and elimination system. Find that sweet spot where you just avoid the rib cage and pull straight down from there. Make sure your chin is tucked, working for back of the neck flat to the floor over time, shoulders relaxed, and elbows, bring them close into your body. Hold it here and breathe by your nose. After the right side, we'll do the left side as well, and then the both legs. With both legs, lift both legs up and grab elbows each other over the legs. Again, a couple inches below the knees if possible, helping you to get more compression down there on the abdomen. If you can't grab the elbows yet, no problem. Get as close as you can. Once you've got your grip, relax your feet side by side, chin down. Again, someday, maybe today, back of the neck to the floor, relax your shoulders, and someday total spine flat to the floor here, giving a nice stretch to the back. At your maximum, again, hold it there and breathe by your nose, receiving the benefits of this simple yet effective posture. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.